What's up, what it is, what it do? It's your man Terrence T back once again with another video. I got a quick video I want to show you guys right quick on the Dodge Ram 2021 model. Here it is right here. Now I'm running into some outside noise, the wind issue while I'm riding, and I can hear it real good from my driver's side. So what I've been out here looking at is, let me show y'all something right quick. If you have one of these vehicles and you got a problem with the Dodge, whatever it is, with any type of Dodge you got, check out. See, this is a gap right here in the windshield weather stripping. So I'm gonna have to take this back to the dealership and let them look at that. They're gonna have to fix that for me. So when you're riding, wind can easily get up through here and push all the way through here, push all the way through, and it can go all the way through, you know, that side, that part of the windshield. And I'll be hearing some noises, you know, a lot of wind noise coming from my windshield, and I'm assuming that's why, because I got this issue on both sides. So that wind can get through there, and I can hear that. It'll go around that windshield, and if it's loud enough, you'll be able to hear it. You know what I'm saying? Also on the, let me show you guys on the other side here. I have a gap. Let me just take y'all around there. I have a gap in the weather stripping, the door seal. See, can y'all see that? There's an actual gap from here to here, and I found out, and see, that's leaving the insulation wide open for wind can get through there, and I can hear it all the way around my door. Sounds like the window's down. So let me show y'all the inside here, what's going on. I noticed that this piece of insulation, door insulation, stripping, weather stripping, let's just call it what it is. It's a door seal. It's supposed to make your vehicle somewhat airtight enough that you don't hear all that outside racket and noise. And see, there's an actual door seal that goes around the inside of the door. Goes all the way around. And it's not supposed to have any cracks and stuff like that, but it's supposed to make it, you know, seal pretty good where you won't hear any road noise. So what I noticed is this piece is being pushed back. And let me show y'all. There's a bolt. Let me take you for the other side. There's an actual bolt to the frame that's holding this panel on right here. That's doing that. Let's see. I'll shut the door a little bit more. There you go. This bolt right here is pushing this piece of weather door seal back, and it's fold back, leaving a gap. It'll fold back, leave a gap, just like that. I'm gonna shut the door. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna fix it. Then I'm gonna shut the door and show y'all what it's doing, how it's supposed to look. All right, so it's pushing that back. See that gap? That's what's making that gap right there. There's a gap. All right. So with that gap being there, you know, you're traveling at the speed limits and stuff, it's making it wind, making this side seem like the window's down. That's how the air is getting in from the outside. So this is what it's supposed to look like. I'm gonna fix that. All right. So what I'm gonna do, trying to shut my hand up here. We're gonna pull it out like that. All right. See that? Watch this. You see that bolt catch that insulation? I'll keep calling it insulation. Catch the weather stripping, that door seal. You see it pushes it back. So what I'm gonna do is fold it so that it doesn't. The door shuts. On this side is supposed to look, there's a seal all the way down and it connects. So no air is supposed to be able to get through there. So what I'm gonna have to do is get some type of adhesive and put on the back end of this so this sticks to the door frame. And that should solve the problem. There's videos on the internet where it's telling you to mess with your door jamb. You could try that, but I would go with this right here first. I would look at this first on both sides. Just look at it real good, and see if you got the same issue as I do. Trying to get my camera right, and if you do, so I don't have any weather strip glue right now, so I'm gonna have to get some on tomorrow. But there's gonna be a part 2 on this video when I do that. So when I get that done, I'm gonna come back and drop that video. But in the meantime, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell me what you think about these videos. Check your vehicle out, see if y'all having the same issue. Do what I suggested, and if you happen to do it before I do, hit me up in the comment section or message me and let me know if it worked for you. Appreciate you guys watching. It's your man Terrence T, and I'm out.